Alright, so this is my 2003 Toyota Camry with over 856,000 miles. I'm in the middle of replacing my catalytic converter, which is this one from Amazon. It's called Fill Top, I believe, with gasket. And I just cleaned this part a little bit with wire brush. And my question is, the cylinder 2, the valves are kind of black, dark, but here this 1 and 3 and 4 are all white. I don't know what's going on with this. Is this normal? Because I know I had a problem with this cylinder 2. I replaced the coils, the spark plugs, and still the light is still on. So I replaced the fuel injector, and the problem is gone. Yeah, so my question is it normal, and why is it darker? Yeah, so yeah, I'm not a mechanic, guys. I just know how to do it, and I don't want to spend money paying the mechanic. Yeah, so yeah, I have to show you the odometer, because the last time someone mentioned when I do this I have to show the odometer, so it's not so it's believable. Alright, let's see, my odometer is 865559. So that check engine light is for the catalytic converter, and also I have to replace this flex pipe and the resonator. Yep, so that's it. So guys, help me out with this. Let me know what's going on with this. Please comment down below.